In this video, we'll show you some of the most aesthetic styles for young guys. When it comes to fashion, young guys have endless options. But if you want to make a statement and stand out from the crowd, you need to know what styles are most aesthetic. First up, we have minimalism. It has become a popular fashion trend in recent years, and it's not hard to see why. This style is all about simplicity, comfort, and functionality. When it comes to styling minimalist clothing, it's all about keeping it simple. Stick to neutral colors like black, white, and gray, and avoid busy patterns or logos. The great thing about minimalist clothing is that it can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion and comparatively reasonable. Pair a simple t-shirt with jeans and sneakers for a casual look, or dress it up with a blazer and dress shoes for a more formal event. Another benefit of minimalist clothing is that it's easy to pack for travel. Stick to a few key pieces that can be mixed and matched, and you'll have a versatile wardrobe that can take you from the beach to the city. Next, we have streetwear. It has become one of the most popular fashion trends for young guys. This style is all about mixing high-end fashion with casual, urban looks. Sneakers are a key element of streetwear, and there are endless options to choose from. From classic high-top Converse to futuristic Yeezys, the right pair of sneakers can complete any streetwear outfit. Streetwear stores offer a wide range of clothing options, including graphic tees, bomber jackets, and distressed denim. When it comes to styling streetwear, it's all about mixing and matching. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, patterns, and textures. The key is to create a look that is both comfortable and fashionable. Streetwear is all about expressing your individual style, and there are no rules when it comes to putting together an outfit. You can mix and match different pieces to create a look that is uniquely yours. So if you're a young guy looking to make a fashion statement, consider trying out streetwear. With its comfortable and versatile clothing options, you can create a look that is both stylish and practical. Last but not least, we have old money. It is a classic fashion trend that has been popular for generations. This style is all about classic, timeless pieces that exude sophistication and elegance. I recommend this style for spring and summer. When it comes to old money style, it's all about investing in quality pieces that will last a lifetime. As a consequence thereof, you have paid at first a bunch of dollars to start this journey. When it comes to old money style in the summer, you'll want to stick to lightweight fabrics like linen and cotton. Your must-haves are shorts, lightweight blazers, and button-up shirts in light colors. For a more casual look, opt for a polo shirt and a pair of chinos. Add a pair of leather loafers or boat shoes for a classic touch. Accessorize with a pair of sunglasses, a leather belt, and a watch with a leather strap. To achieve the old money look, you'll want to stick to neutral colors like navy, gray, and brown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.